Hi guys, let's unbox and review Huawei P30. Huawei P30 is a global version smartphone. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Huawei P30 global version smartphones and other Huawei global version smartphones delivered to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou, or other city in China. I will put B2B contact link below the video. I will put a small order, sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. If you want to make B2B business of Huawei P30 global version smartphones, you can contact with us. It supports all the Google applications, include Google Play Store, and global language menus. Here are all the language menus it supports. Okay, let's continue to review the global version Huawei P30. It is a 6.1-inch OLED display, 19.5 to 9 radio, 422 ppi density. It supports HDR10, DCI, and P3. Its resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. It's from embed glasses. Aluminum frame, IP53 dust proof. Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Its CPU is high silicon Kirin 980 octa-core 2.6 GHz. Supports nano memory card up to 256 GB by nano memory card. Memory storage have 64 GB long, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB long, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB long, 8 GB RAM, or 256 GB long, 8 GB RAM. It have 4 cameras. Selfie from camera is 32 megapixel. f2.0 aperture. Its main camera a triple camera, 40 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, or 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture. With big LED flashlight. Leica optical dual LED flash. The battery built-in is 3650 mAh battery built-in. Supports 22.5 watt fast battery charging. Fingerprint. You can choose the fingerprint under the display. And 3.1 Type-C to USB port, NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, keeps 5.0 Bluetooth. The phone have Aurora, some lights, Bluefin crystal black color and pearl white color. Okay, now let me show you the camera. We can see the details. You can see the details of the camera super clearly. Supports dual nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 nano memory card. Type-C to USB port and headphone jack. Okay, that's all. Let's continue to check what included in the color box. Very beautiful color. I made sticker, a jet pen, warranty card, have some languages, and this is the menu. One piece silicone case. One piece 22.5 fast charger, 5 volt, 4.5 ampere fast charger. We will send one piece Euro converter together free. One piece Type-C to USB cable. One piece headphone. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages